This is the Walmart. This is what they got going on here. And they got a special policy. Attention customers, we politely ask that all customers over the age of 16 take a shopping cart. That enforces the social distance rule. You know what's funny? Walmart put these electronic gates in right before the coronavirus stuff came in. Look at that. They put these in right before all this stuff happened. You don't dare get a Whopper.
No, not that guy.
Man.
Different guy.
Alarm's going off here. Ooh, look at this. You got to stay 6 feet apart. Look at this one. Follow these color-coded signs. You're an idiot. Please follow these signs. Nice.